Good morning students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take EVS subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is Being Safe. Before starting to our lesson, they have given a small warm up. We are going to solve this first. You must have seen traffic lights on the road. What are the colors of the traffic lights? You all know what are the colors of the traffic lights? Yes, red, yellow and green. Can you color the picture using the correct colors? We have to color this traffic light. What do this color tells us? What do these colors tells us? Red says stop, yellow says get ready, and green says go. According to this, we have to color this traffic light. In this lesson, what we are going to see? We are going to see safety at home. How we can be safe in our home, and safety outside the home. Which safety rules we have to find out? Which safety rules we have to follow outside the home. Now, being safe. What is the meaning of being safe? Being safe means keeping yourself and your things away from danger. You can do this by following safety rules. How we can be safe or our things can be safe? By following the safety rules. You must follow safety rules wherever you go, at home, in the playground, at school or anywhere else. Wherever you go, you should follow the safety rules. If you will follow the safety rules, you will be safe. Now, at home, which safety rules we have to follow? Before talking to any stranger, first check with your parents or a grown-up who takes care of you. We have to check with our parents. If you are talking to any stranger, if you are going to talk with any stranger, you should check with your parents that your parents should know that person. Yes? Now, next is always inform and take permission of your parents or other grown-ups who take care of you before going anywhere with a stranger. Whenever you are going with any stranger, you should inform or you should take the permission of your parents to go with that stranger. Now, never open the doors of your house to a stranger without checking with your parents or a grown-up who takes care of you. You should not open the door if you don't know that person. Whenever you open the door, you should check first that whether it is a stranger person or a known person. And you should always check with your parents. Do not play with sharp objects and electrical switches. When you are at home, you should not play with the sharp objects and the electrical switches. Keep away from fire and do not play with matchsticks and matchboxes. In our kitchen, our mother keeps matchboxes, right? So we should not play with the fire, matchsticks, yes, or matchboxes. Never run on the staircase. If you run on the staircase, you may fall down. Okay, so you should not run on the staircase. On the road, always walk on the pavement. When you are on road, you should always walk on the pavement. You can see here these two children are standing. This is called pavement. Yes, you should walk always on the pavement. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. You can see here all the people are crossing on the zebra crossing. White, black, white, black. These are zebra crossings. Wait for the walk signal to turn green before crossing the road. Whenever the walk signal is green, that time only you should cross the road. Cross the road with a grown-up. You should not cross the road alone. Whenever you cross the road, you should cross with your parents or any grown-up one. Do not play or run on the road. You should not run on the road or you should not play there. Okay? Why? Because on the road, every time vehicles are moving. Now, traveling in a vehicle. Now, which safety rules we have to follow in the vehicle? Never put your hand or head out of a moving vehicle because vehicle passing by may hit you. What they are saying, we should not put our head and hand by moving vehicle because the passing vehicle may hit you. Always get in and get off a bus only at a bus stop. You should always get in and get off a bus only at a bus stop. Where is the bus stop, that there only you have to go and you have to get in and get off from the bus. Get off a moving vehicle only after it stops. Whenever you are getting off from the vehicle, you should check that vehicle should stop first and then you will get down. Do not shout at or disturb the driver while he or she is driving. Whenever your mother, your father or any driver is driving, you should not disturb him or her while driving. Now, while riding a bicycle. Which safety rules we have to follow? Riding a bicycle is fun, but you must not ride on busy roads. We all love to ride a bicycle, but on the busy roads we should not ride it. Keep to the left side of the road. Whenever you ride the bicycle, you should always ride on the left side. Always wear a bicycle helmet while cycling. When you do the cycling, you should wear a bicycle helmet. You can see here in this picture, this boy is wearing a bicycle helmet. Do not carry anything heavy on your bicycle. You should not carry any heavy thing on your bicycle. Okay. Hold the handlebar firmly with both hands. This is handle. Yes, this handle you have to hold it very firmly so that handlebars should not let go of. Do not ever let go of the handlebars while riding. Now, road signs. On road signs, which safety rules we have to follow? While traveling, you must have seen some road signs. These road signs give us some useful information. When you travel on the road or when you are going out, you have seen some road signs. Now we are going to study about that. Now see the first sign. First sign is two children are there. Children crossing means here this sign means children are crossing. And this sign P and cross is there means no parking. You cannot park your vehicle here. Then horn and again cross is there. No horn. No horn means you will not blow horn here. Now here see right turn and cross means no right turn. You cannot take a right turn from here. Your vehicle cannot go from here or cannot take right turn. Then this sign no left turn means this sign is no left turn and cross means you cannot take left turn from here. Now while playing, which safety rules we have to follow? Play with your friends in a playground. Do not play on the road. Whenever we are playing in the playground, play with your friends in a playground. Where we have to play? We have to play in a playground and we should not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. You should not go anywhere alone. Take turns while playing on the swing, slide and seesaw. Whenever you are playing with your friends, you should take turns. Do not hurt others or get hurt while playing. Whenever you are playing with your friends, you should not hurt them or you should not get hurt while playing. Now see here students, did you know using mobile phones while driving can cause accidents? Advise the adults in your house not to use mobile phones while driving. You all have seen your parents are using phone while driving, right? You should tell them that you should not use mobile phone while driving because it can cause accidents. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. Now wrap up what we have learnt in this lesson. The name of the lesson is Being Safe. These are the safety rules at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not run on the staircase. Then on road, which safety rules we have to follow? Walk on the pavement, use the zebra crossing and watch out for signals. And which safety rules we have to find in traveling in a traveling in a vehicle? Do not put head or hand outside a moving vehicle. Get on and off a bus only at a bus stop after it has stopped. Do not disturb the driver. Then riding a bicycle, here we have to follow the rules. Keep to the left of the road. avoid busy roads, wear a helmet while cycling. Then while playing, which safety rules we have to follow? Do not play on the road, do not wander off alone, wait for your turn at the seesaw, slide and swing. Now we are going to see evaluation of this lesson. First one is choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. They have given us here words, we have to choose it. We must cross the road only at dash crossing, zebra crossing, right? We should not ride a bicycle on busy roads. We must check with our parents or anyone who takes care of us before talking to the strangers. We should not get on and off a bus only at a bus stop. Then true or false? We must stand in a moving bus? No. So it is false. We should never let go of the handlebars while riding a bicycle. True. Answer in a sentence. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. Now see the next question. Tick the safe and correct ways of traveling in a vehicle. You have to see the picture. See this picture, first picture. He is wearing the helmet also. So this is the correct way of traveling. So I have put here tick. Here the boy is wearing seat belt. So this is also the correct way. So I have put here tick. Now you can see this man is getting down from a moving bus. So it is the wrong way of traveling. So I had put here cross. And you can see here the boy is seeing from the window. Yes, he is almost all out from the window. So it is also wrong way of traveling. So I had put here cross. Okay students. Now we are going to meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye. Take care.